Welcome back. I'm just currently on one of my morning countryside walks, walking through this beautiful scenery. Today is a very special day. It is actually my birthday. It probably isn't going to be my birthday the day that this video gets uploaded. However, filming now, it is my birthday. So if your birthday is 22nd of July, then happy birthday from me to you. It is mine today, and it is a very special day. As I've mentioned, it's not just special because I'm walking through such beautiful scenery like this. It's special because I'm actually about to do quite a big thing for me, something I'm very proud of, something I've been working towards, something that you guys have all contributed in allowing me to do. So I'll thank you for that. The video is coming. The video will probably be after this. It might be a week or so after. I want to get the editing right. I come for these walks just to refresh my mind and re-energize, and just to get out into nature, because enjoying life is what it's about, and life is a journey, so enjoy the journey is what I commonly say. So we're out and about. Also, I'm trying to settle my nerves, because like I mentioned, I like to be out here, not really film around people. I'm not the best at filming in public and stuff, so I prefer to be alone. But today is going to be the complete reverse of that. I'm going to be filming with people, kind of more of an interview based scenario that I've never done before. I'm super nervous and I couldn't sleep, so I've decided to come for a walk. Didn't originally plan on filming, but I have got an announcement to make. So I know I'm talking a lot, but stick with it because this is an announcement video. So let's get somewhere I can put you up and talk some more. So I'm hoping I can I'm going to try and put you on this tree here and see if we can get any footage there without it being too dark. There is sunlight in the background, so that might help. Is that you up? Okay, so the gorilla pods are awesome. Okay, so today's video is going to be explaining about a new series that I'm going to be starting soon, and potentially you guys may want to become part of. Now, this series is going to be called Feature Friday. You guys might remember 2 Minute Tuesday, where I did a series supposed to be 2 minutes long and it never happened. I was going to make this series 5 Minute Friday, but I don't like being governed by a time frame, because I feel that I start editing things down and like reducing content or valuable information just to get it into a 2 or a 5 minute time frame. So because of that, it's going to be Feature Friday. Now, if you guys have got, so I'm going to start off with the VW stuff. So it's going to be camper or VW related only. So if you guys have got a self-built camper van which is quite unique, or you've done quite a lot of work to it, or it stands out and you're proud of it and you've built it yourself, or even if you've bought it and you want to be part of the channel, I'm going to do a feature on it where I'll come to you, or ideally if you can come to me, depends on where you are in the UK, we can do a full feature of it where we show around the vehicle. You can explain what you've done. You don't have to be on camera, I'll be on camera. If you don't want to, I'll explain, or you can explain. We can bounce back and forth and make it work for you, because not everyone was going to want to be on camera. So I appreciate that. I mean, how do you think? Do you think if I did other stuff than VWs? I don't want to just keep it VW camper stuff. I want to show that you can get budget campers and other manufacturers, and they do the same thing. They let you get out, enjoy yourselves, and camp and stay to locations overnight. So I'm going to do that. Like I said, it might not necessarily just be VW. I am going to try and keep it camper related at the beginning for this series. I'll probably do 10 videos at first. And if there's a good response and you guys like it, I may turn it into more of a feature series for vehicles full stop. So I might bring in some 3-door Cozzies, some high-powered BM M3s, some Minis, some unique custom vehicles that you guys don't get to see every day, stuff that people have built, stuff that people race, ex-rally cars, all that kind of stuff. However, I need you guys to comment below. I need your feedback, because alternatively, this is for you. If you want to see that, then I'll do it. If you don't want to see it, if you want me to stay at campers, then I'll stay at campers. If you want me to not do it all, I'll probably do my 10. I'll see the response I get from the 10 Feature Fridays, and then we'll go from there. So we'll see how that works. All right, mate. Hi, mate. Stay there, mate. Just social distancing. Yeah, sorry to interrupt you. I just thought I'd remind you, don't forget to mention this. Okay. Yeah, good point. It's the giveaway mug. If you leave it there, yeah, then I'll get it and I'll explain the video. Yeah, don't forget. Cheers for that. Cheers. Yes, that's a good point actually. I probably would have forgot. One thing I will be doing Each vehicle I feature, I will be giving you guys a complimentary mug. As you can see, it's got the Bus Life plate on it. This is a custom design. So I'll be giving, there's two designs, one other one that I've got at home, and this one. They're both VW, they've both got the Bus Life on, they're just a different design. So I've currently got 10 of these, because obviously I did plan on at least doing the first 10, VW only. But as a thank you, whoever comes on and becomes featured, I will give you one of these as a gift. I do sell these, you can get these off myself on Instagram. I don't really push them, few people have had them, they really enjoy them. So if you add me on Instagram, DM me if you're interested in this or another VW Bus Life design. But yeah, going to be giving these eventually. If you guys choose it, I will break away and do the other stuff, and I will have to get myself a set of Ford mugs, Vauxhall mugs, Morris mugs, whatever it may be, as a complimentary gift. I don't have to do this, it's by choice. This is my outlay, this is my expense, this is just a thank you gift to you guys. Like I said, if you want to come to me, that's awesome. We can film it, we could arrange to meet at a show or an event or something like that. Or if you DM me and your address, I can pin you guys around the location, and when I'm coming, I hopefully might be going to Devon soon, so on the way there, and I'm definitely going to Swansea soon, so on the way there, if I know I've got 3 or 4 different vehicles that potentially want to be featured, then I can stop in on you guys on the way past. Look forward to this. This is an up and coming series. I haven't started filming for them yet because I need vehicles. I want vehicles. Also, I want to see your response. I know it's been long, I know I've been talking a lot, but I wanted to get the point across, and I wanted to show you guys what I've got planned and see if you want to get involved. So if you want to get involved, either message me, comment in the comments box below, also comment your thoughts, but add me on Instagram, add me on Facebook. All the links are below. My email and everything should be below on my YouTube channel. Get in touch, get in contact with me on one of these methods, one of these means, and we'll talk. I'm looking for more unique or more custom designs. I'm going to end the video now. I don't need to do anything else. I might throw you into a few cinematics just as a thank you, because you've got to the end of this video and you've listened to my monotone voice for this whole time. So let's get doing that. If you are alive, you are healthy, you are well, then get out and enjoy life, because you never know how long you've got, you never know when your time's going to be up, and like I've mentioned, it is a journey, so enjoy it because you're only here once. And remember guys, you live to live. No, so remember guys, you work to live, you don't live to work, so don't get it the wrong way around. Get out in your vans, get out using your cameras, your equipment, whatever it may be. Get out and use the stuff that you've purchased to enjoy life and enjoy those moments.